Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature 25 myths you probably still believe about SEO optimization. And also, top 25 SEO myths you should know about before optimizing your website. You might think you already know everything about the search engine optimization process. Well, think again. Some of the things you know may just be myths. There are several SEO myths that webmasters and search engine optimizers still fail to recognize. What are the SEO myths? Here are the top 25. 1. Search engine optimization can be performed just by anyone. 2. SEO is only for those websites that sell products online. 3. SEO companies can give their clients a guaranteed top-ranking position. 4. SEO gives an overnight result. You can optimize a website today and expect it to rank high tomorrow. 5. Build more links regardless of the quality. 6. It is fine to copy content from other websites and paste it into your website. 7. You don't need to write unique content for your website since you can just syndicate articles from directories. 8. There is no need for further work after you have optimized your website. 9. Search engine ranking is all that matters. 10. The more links the better, quantity matters and not quality. 11. There is no need for a website to be submitted to web directories. 12. A website doesn't need updated content. 13. The search engines won't know if you use black hat SEO techniques. 14. Do-it-yourself SEO is better than hiring SEO professionals, can be true if you are an expert yourself. 15. Web design doesn't need to be optimized. 16. The navigability of the website does not affect its search engine ranking. 17. The search engines must be prioritized over the target market. 18. There is no need for testing. Once a website is already optimized, let it stay that way. 19. Site visitors already know how to browse a website, so don't worry about usability. 20. Flash is the best way to present your message. 21. You can write anything that you want in your website content. 22. There is no need for you to add keywords to the website content. 23. Adding more large file images on the website makes the site more appealing. 24. It doesn't matter if the website is slow to load, after all, there are now more broadband users than dial-ups. 25. Why still optimize a website when it can still be indexed by search engines no matter what? Conclusion, and the takeaway, these are the top 25 search engine optimization myths that both webmasters and search engine optimizers must be aware of. Some of them seem to be more like a fact rather than a myth, so be very careful. I hope you have found my podcast to help answer your questions concerning the top 25 SEO myths you should know about before optimizing your website. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.